Requiem sound audio not working on PC. If Resident Evil Requiem has no sound at all, dialogue missing, audio cutting out, sound working in menu but not in game, crackling, or distorted audio. Follow these fixes in order. Fix 1. Set correct default audio device. Most common issue. 1. Right-click sound icon in taskbar. 2. Click sound settings. 3. Under output, select your correct speaker headset. 4. Click more sound settings. 5. Disable unused devices. 6. Restart the game. If you switch between headphones and speakers often, Windows may choose the wrong device. Fix 2. Disable spatial sound. 1. Go to sound settings. 2. Click your output device. 3. Turn spatial sound off. Many games have issues with Windows Sonic Dolby Atmos. Fix 3. Set audio to 16-bit, 48,000 Hz. 1. Open more sound settings. 2. Right-click your device, Properties. 3. Go to Advanced. 4. Set format to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Click Apply, restart PC. Fix 4. Update reinstall audio drivers. Method A. 1. Device Manager. 2. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. 3. Right-click audio device, update driver. Method B. Better. Download latest Realtek/motherboard audio driver from official website, install manually, restart PC. Fix 5. Verify game files. Steam. 1. Open Steam. 2. Right-click Resident Evil Requiem. 3. Properties, installed files. 4. Click Verify integrity. Corrupted files can break audio. Fix 6. Disable exclusive mode. 1. Sound settings, more sound settings. 2. Device properties, advanced. 3. Uncheck. You can see the code in our conversation history. Apply, restart game. Fix 7. Disable Nahimic, Sonic Studio, third-party audio apps. If you have Nahimic, Sonic Studio, Voicemeeter, SteelSeries Sonar, temporarily disable them. They commonly cause missing audio in games. Now to fix 8, check in-game audio settings. Inside game, master volume not muted, voice volume up, output device set correctly, dynamic range not set incorrectly. If still no sound, tell me, Windows 10 or 11, headphones, HDMI, or speakers, laptop or desktop, does sound work in other games? I'll give you a system-specific fix. If you want, I can now give